Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to receive file via Bluetooth in Windows 10. If you want to receive file via Bluetooth in Windows 10, first of all just click on the start button. Now after clicking on the start button here, after clicking on the start button you have to click on the setting icon. Just click on the setting icon, and now here you will see devices option and phone option, many options. If you want to receive any file from any devices, so just click on the devices option, and here you have to turn on your Bluetooth and here you have to make sure that your Bluetooth is discoverable. Now after make suring and doing all the stuff, just click on send or receive file from here. Just click on it. Now after clicking on it, you will see a pop-up will appear here. If you now you want to receive files, just click on the receive files. Now after clicking on the receive file, you have to go into that device and find that desktop name in your device. After finding the desktop name in your device, now just easily you have to click on share any photo. Just click on the share and via Bluetooth. Now in that Bluetooth you will see that your desktop name will appear. Now click on it and you will immediately receiving the file. So like this you can receive file via Bluetooth in Windows 10. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.